This photo should have gone viral, but it didn't. Because of one mistake you probably make too. Lighting. You don't notice it immediately. You just know something feels off. The picture is sharp. Your outfit is clean. The pose is right. But the light hits your face the wrong way. One shadow ruins everything. So what do? You delete it. You reshoot. Or you post it anyway and hope for the best. But what if bad lighting was no longer the end of a good photo? Right now, creators, photographers, and brands are fixing lighting after the photo has already been taken. No studio. No reshoot. No stress. This is the Relight feature on Higgsfield AI. And it lets you change how light falls on your photo in seconds, even if the picture was taken in bad lighting. For a long time, lighting decided everything. If the light was wrong, the photo was useless. Indoor photos looked dull. Product pictures didn't look clean. Faces had strange shadows. Now, you don't have to throw away a good picture because of light. You can fix it. Here's how simple it is. Open your browser and go to Higgsfield AI. Sign in and select the Relight feature. Upload the photo you're not happy with. Choose where you want the light to come from. Adjust how bright or soft you want the light. Pick a light color or keep it natural. Click Generate. In seconds, the lighting changes. The shadows reduce. The photo looks cleaner and more professional. Photographers use this to fix pictures taken in poor lighting. Content creators use it to make their posts look better without reshooting. Brands use it to improve product photos without spending extra money. One photo, multiple lighting options. No extra work. This isn't a filter. You're not covering mistakes. You're changing the actual direction and strength of the light. That means your photos still look real, just better. So, next time a photo doesn't look right, don't delete it. Don't stress. Try the Relight feature on Higgsfield AI and fix the lighting instead. If this helped you, save this video so you remember how to do it. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. And if you use it, feel free to share your result. We'd love to see what you create. Lighting doesn't have to ruin good photos anymore. I'll see you in the next one.